So my name is Sona Khalifeh. I work at Taziker as the head of FRP Solutions. So the company has been operating for over 50 years in the infrastructure industry, and we've expanded our services to multidisciplinary engineering so we can offer steel projects, FRP projects, and painting and refurbishing. Taziker has a lot of experience in painting and refurbishing, and that's what we started in. So we have a lot of experts in the industry. So not only do we know how we can complete projects, we also do it very effectively and efficiently. And in terms of the FRP Solutions, we are one of the first FRP footbridges made in the UK solely to go into market. So we were looking for something that had a vacuum duct to it that can extract the ducting, and the size of the bed as well was a factor because we do a lot of our plates cut on it and they're about 1.8 by 1.2 meters. And the accuracy of the machine as well was a great benefit. We cut FRP panels, so anti-slip decking, our different size plates, and any size tubes that need cutting down, we do it on this. Again, it's the accuracy, so you get that consistency across everything, and the extraction, because you can see there's a lot of dust generated. It's very easy. I think training on this only took a couple hours, and everyone picked it up fine. So from choosing which machines we were going to use to having someone come and train us on them, it's been a very seamless and easy experience. Dalton Watkins is very responsive and helpful. Even when I have questions while we're trying to do something, they're very responsive. So it's been positive all around.